Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from One Stop Solution. In this video, I will show you how to unfriend someone on Snapchat. Unfriending someone can help you manage your friends list and maintain your privacy. So, let's get started on how to unfriend someone on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app. Go to the chat section by swiping right on the camera section or tapping on the chat option from the bottom of your screen. Scroll through your chats to find the user you want to unfriend. Now, long press the user's profile until a menu appears. From the menu, select the Manage Friendship option. Next, tap on the Remove Friend option. Finally, tap on Remove Friend again to confirm. And this is how you can unfriend someone on Snapchat. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.